The Adventures of Hatman. One day, Hatman made a noise. It was a loud noise. It made Hatman smile. So Hatman made the noise again. He put his hands to his mouth as he did it. This made the noise louder. Hatman was excited about the noise. He wanted to share his noise with everyone. So he went to Hat Lady's house. Hatman showed Hat Lady his noise. Hat Lady was silent. Hat Lady explained that she wasn't sure she liked the noise. Hatman felt confused. So he made the noise again. Hat Lady was not impressed. Hat Lady said that now she definitely didn't like the noise. So he went looking for someone who did like the noise. Hatman met the Thriller Squirrels. So he showed them his noise. The squirrels had never heard a noise like it. They asked Hatman to make the noise again. So he did. The squirrels said they liked it. Then one of the squirrels had an idea. It told him to jump up and down while he was making the noise. So he did. It made the noise all wiggly. Hatman liked this. He went to find more people to show it to. This is how Hatman met Squareface. To be continued.